I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. You know, when you're talking about shop safety, you're talking about hearing protection or eye protection, but do you ever think about lung protection? This is a half faceplate respirator from 3M. There are various cartridges you can use. This cartridge is for particulate, like sawdust. They also have cartridges for vapors, like if you're spraying lacquer. It is completely adjustable, and the silicone makes it fit to the face snugly so it doesn't even fog up my glasses. The cartridges just lock into place, they pop into place, and lock with a twist. And now we're ready to sand. Simply put the back over the back of the head, interlock the lock, and tighten the elastic. So if you're doing any sanding, woodworking, or spray painting, be sure to get a good respirator like this one from 3M. For more tool tips and suggestions like this one, click the image on your screen now.